We have probably had the best Tiger Kingdom experience ever, no exaggeration. When you come here, you expect to spend about 10 minutes with the tigers and take some nice photos. You could say we were lucky. The keepers gave us a live tiger show playing with the tigers when we were inside the enclosure. A tiger jumped and landed right in front of me. Once in a lifetime experience. My sister came to visit me here in Chiang Mai. We thought we would check out the Tiger Kingdom here. Previously, we have been to the one in Phuket. We decided to go with package B, costing 950 baht per person. That's approximately 20 pounds. We entered 2 tiger enclosures, one with small tigers and the other with the golden tabby tiger. We had to sign a terms of agreement. It states that we enter the tiger enclosures at our own risk and that Tiger Kingdom holds no liability. Animals can be unpredictable. Reading this, the potential risks of this experience briefly crossed my mind.
Sawasdee krab.
Can I see your ticket?
Yes.
Please? What kind of ticket you have?
2 tigers, small and tabby tiger.
And golden. Okay.
Thank
go
you very
stand
much.
This way, and then turn right.
Thank you, krab.
Here, thank you.
Small?
Okay.
Good afternoon, welcome to Small Tiger and Golden Tabby Tiger. Before you get in the case, please your approve from behind. Should not touch the head, face and front paw. Alright, approve from behind, touch around the back. Like this. Touch firmly, touch. When you touch soft, they tickling. Go together. Right now, start the Small Tiger first. Okay,
Okay,
ready to go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Follow the trainer. This one, the keeper. They know behave with the tiger.
Okay.
Over. Watch out, you take one.
Electric wire?
Yeah, the white one. This place.
As you have just seen, Sammy briefed us on how we should approach and interact with the tigers. These 2 tigers were in a playful mood.
Yeah.
Lady first.
Ladies first.
Keep from behind.
From behind?
Yep. Don't touch the head, the face, the front toe. You sit here and touch like this. Firmly, full hand.
It's very soft.
Nine months old.
9 months.
Yeah.
They're both siblings?
No, they're just friends.
Oh, friends. What's his name again?
Sompot.
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 They born here.
They're born here
They're for the young.
from young.
Yeah.
So you start showing to people from 1.5 months. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Swimming time?
Yeah, go to play the water.
Tigers enjoy being in water, either swimming, cooling down, or even hunting. Sompot just seems to be chilling.
The nail, you see?
Oh wow. Big nails.
Time to see the golden tabby tiger. Golden tabby tigers are rare. They are Bengal tigers with a color variation caused by a recessive gene. I was excited to see this tiger in person. The keeper was telling us how the golden tabby tiger is the most active tiger here, insisting we stay close to them at all times.
15 months old.
This is the tabby one.
Tabby tiger.
Golden color. Her name Happy.
Happy. Oh. Playtime.
They are active. Due to their parents are not born here and not used to people before.
Oh, okay.
So they are more wild. They are more wild.
It's wet.
She just came out from the water.
Oh, nice.
Stay close to
Yeah.
I can save you with a close distance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Đi. Yep. If she get annoyed, just say.
Okay.
Okay.
No problem. We just want to pat you. That's it.
They just copy the characters from their parents.
From the parents.
From their parents. The parents never used to people before.
So wild.
So it's quite hard for them. But their instincts are deeply in the DNA.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's sent through the generation.
Okay.
The offspring from the parents to offspring.
The keeper was telling us how babies from wild tigers behave differently to babies from trained parents.
Only one tiger used three.
3 people,
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
People.
Giving strong eye contact.
She's always does. รอต้องส่งอีกทีไหมไปแล้วหมูไปแล้วโอ้โหเอาครบชัวร์ครบละครบละเฮ้ย
Wow.
ได้อยู่
Wow.
ถ้าใกล้ไปก็ถีบอย่างเดียว
โอ้มันเป็นแล้วว่ะ
ได้แล้วโอ้โหเอาแล้วเขาบอกมันทำอย่างนี้นี่เองเอาแล้วเนาะดำกันเลยเฮ้ย
เดี๋ยว
Behind you?
standing stand
ไม่สมความโฆษณาเลย
ไม่ละเกมผมก็ทำเป็น
เอาจริงอ่ะ ใช่ค่ะ stand by เอา
ลงน้ำมันเลยนั่นแหละ
Wow. Wow.
Mày tông cu, mày tông cu.อยู่ในน้ำแล้วไม่ต้องกู้
Oh no.
อยู่ในน้ำแล้วไม่ต้องกู้แล้ว
They win?
Yeah.
Once in a lifetime experience, it has enhanced my love for this animal further. It's not a sponsored video, it wasn't planned, I wasn't expecting this, it just happened. So grateful to the keepers here. Some people were watching from outside the enclosure. We got to witness the tiger's playful behavior up close. The golden tabby tiger, what a tiger.
I'm Sammy. I'm stay here around 16 years ago with our tiger kingdom. We are like a tropic zoo. The tigers, around 30 tiger, you can learn in education everything about the tiger in the captivity. Newborn, we have newborn 1 month until around 7 years and the old child or the big tiger. Under the law protection about the tiger, most of the tiger born in the zoo, born in the captivity, they get a chip, microchip beside the ear and get a permit from Department of National Park already.
What is the training process? How do you train them?
We train them by stick, like this. When they're still young, we hit. When the tiger use the claw like this, hit them, just warning them, not get hurt because we have a law of protection about the tiger. Should not kill them, should not do anything about the tiger. Just show in the captivity. Thank you so much, thank you.
From my experience here at Tiger Kingdom in Chiang Mai, the way the tigers have behaved, interacted and showcased their playful nature, the tigers certainly don't look sedated or drugged to me. They have stated on their website that their animals aren't sedated, declawed or defanged or chained. The park is clean, the keepers are super friendly and it definitely seems like they enjoy their job. They have gone above and beyond. Can't thank them enough for this experience. I have also been to a snake farm here in Chiang Mai, got a tour of the farm and witnessed the King Cobra show at the end. If you'd like to check it out, please click on this video. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.